Like, you don't know whose life you're gonna change. The very next week, it's our call this week, I'm gonna get emotional. He said, you know what? And a guy came in, he said he was a complete swear word, I'll leave it out. He goes, but I heard your voice and I loved on him. Did some x-rays. Dude had a massive tumor in his lung. Said, you need to go. Had he not offered it out of love and done what he'd previously done and dismissed that patient, because he was like, oh, like we get, right? Oh, the last guy just laid me down. Just lay me down and crack my neck. Just lay me down and adjust me. That's all I need. That's all I want. He's like, no, he held his line. But instead of dismissing like he'd done the previous 3 years in practice, heard my voice and operate out of love. Potentially save that man's life from operating out of love.